today's topic solving quadratic equation by factorization. We'll just revise what a quadratic equation. Equation having degree 2 are known as quadratic equation.
Standard form for quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, factorization means to find the factors. So here we'll see how to solve quadratic equation. Solve means we need to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Satisfy means when I substitute the value of x in this equation, I will get 0 after simplification. So let's see how to solve quadratic equation by factorization. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is my standard form. Here c is the last term and b is the middle term. Step 1 is to find the factors. Now factors of what? Factors of c. We'll find factors of c. But there is a condition when a is equal to 1. That is coefficient of x square जब 1 होगा तो directly ये step use करना है. We'll find the factors of c. If not, what is to be done? We'll see further. First we'll concentrate when a equal to 1. Then we need to find the factors of c. I will consider the factors as m into n. Factors means the multiplication of two numbers will give me c. Okay. Step 2. Now there are possibility कि c के more than 2 factors हो. For example, if I take x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. Here 54 can be written as 54 1 into 54 2 into 27 also gives me 54. 3 into 18 also gives me 54 and 6 into 9 also gives me 54. Now out of this 4, which one should I select? For that we will go to step 2. Step 2 is we need to select such factors जिनका addition या subtraction मुझे value b दे. b means a middle term. Yeah, b is 15. So addition of that factors or subtraction of that factor should give me b. Now when we should take the addition and कब subtraction लेना है उसके लिए हम एक table देखेंगे. We'll draw a table of 3 columns. Last term, that is c. Middle term, that is b. Now why last term? क्योंकि हम c, that is last term के factors ले रहे हैं. Why middle term? Since the factors will depend upon b and here we will write the factors. Okay. Now last term can be plus or minus. दो ही condition है. एक तो plus हो सकता है या minus हो सकता है. So last term can be plus or last term will be minus. Okay, last term can be plus or minus. Now, when last term is plus, for example, the sum which we are seeing, तब condition है कि middle term plus हो या minus हो. Same way, when last term is minus, middle term can be plus or middle term will be minus. Now, when last term is plus, then we will add the factors to get b. When last term is minus, we will subtract the factors to get b. Here our last term is plus. So addition of m plus n should give me b. Here I can write it that when c is positive, then m plus n. When c is negative, then m minus n should be b. Okay. जब c positive है तो addition of the factors should give me b and when C is negative, the subtraction should give me B. So one thing is clear, कब plus लेना है कब minus लेना है. Now we'll come to a sum. यहाँ पे only condition 6 into 9. When I add 6 plus 9, I get 15. यहाँ पे बाकी सब terms 15 से बड़े हैं, so ये देखना ही नहीं है. Only 6 into 9 gives me 54 and also satisfy second condition, that is 6 plus 9 will be 15. So I will go with this factor. Okay, now one more question arises. यहाँ पे b minus sign के साथ है, it is minus 15. But if I add 6 plus 9, I will get 15, not minus 15. Now what about this minus 15? For that, this is the third column, factors. When you have last term plus, middle term plus, तो factors के sign दोनों plus आएंगे, क्योंकि multiplication भी plus है and last term भी plus है. When last term is plus, middle term is minus, factors will be minus minus. Let's check it here. If I multiply minus 6 into minus 9, I will get plus 54. Yes, my C is 54. Second, minus 9 plus minus 6 is giving me minus 15. So I got C, I got B. So the signs of factor matters for this. जब minus होगा, last term is plus, B is minus, then factors will be minus minus. What if मैंने सिर्फ 9 को minus लिया होता and 6 को plus दिया होता? Then minus 9 into 6 will be minus 54, which will not satisfy a C. Therefore, this is the condition. When last term is plus, middle term is plus, factors will be plus. Last term is plus, middle term is minus, both factors will be minus. So we'll solve that further. So now we have got the factors of 54 as 9 and 6. Minus 9 and minus 6. Now what is the next step? Minus 9 plus minus 6 gives me 15. So ये 15 के जगह मैं minus 9 and minus 6 लिखूंगी. Here 15 is with x. So I will write x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 equal to 0. Minus 9x minus 6x gives me minus 15x. That is हमने equation में कोई change नहीं किया. This is the reason we depend on the factors. B पे क्यों depend करते हैं? C के बहुत सारे factors है, पर why do we choose such factors which addition or subtraction give me B? This is the reason that हम ये जो B है वो replace करने वाले हैं by that factors. So B is taken into consideration. Next is here we'll divide this equation in two parts. First two terms together, next two terms together. X square minus 9x. दोनों में x से I will take the x common. यहाँ से एक x common निकला, यहाँ पे एक x बचेगा minus 9. Why only 9? Because x is taken common. From this I will take minus 6 common. I will take x minus 9. 6 9s are 54 and minus minus plus equal to 0. Now x minus 9, x minus 9, this entire bracket is common. So if I take it common, क्या बचेगा? x minus 6 equal to 0. Now when two numbers multiplication is 0, that is any one number is equal to 0 or both the numbers are equal to 0. Therefore I can write x minus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. That is x equal to 9 minus 9, then we shift, sign will change, or x equal to 6. Therefore x equal to 9 or x equal to 6 is the solution of given equation. So this was the way how we solved quadratic equation by factorization. So we'll just revise. We are taking factors of C. यहाँ पे C 54 है. Yes, ऐसे वेक्टर चाहिए जिनका एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन शुड बी अ मिडिल टर्म, दैट इज बी. When our last term is plus, यहाँ पे c plus है, therefore addition of two factors should give me last middle term. यहाँ पे minus sign, -6 gives me -15. Then I replace this middle term by that two factors. Then I solve them and I get two values of x. This is your solution for quadratic equation. This was the equation that last term was plus. Now we'll see the next part of a table when last term is minus. So our next sum is x square plus 8x minus 48. Now here last term is minus. So when you have last term as minus, then subtraction of the factors should give me b, that is 8. Subtraction should give me 8. Minus 48 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स ढूंढ रहे हैं जिनका subtraction 8 होगा. Now there is one more thing, it is minus. So the factors multiplication should be minus. If both factors m and n, if I give them minus sign, minus m, minus n, if I multiply them, I will get plus number. The number which I will get m into n will be plus. Since minus into minus is plus, but it is minus 48. So that means any one m or n दोनों में से एक ही माइनस होगा. When last term is minus, factors any one factor only will be minus. Now how to decide which factor will be minus? For that, when last term is minus and middle term is plus, your bigger factor will be plus and smaller factor will be minus. Reason behind this we'll see further. When last term is minus, middle term is minus, your bigger factor will be minus and smaller factor will be plus. So we'll see the factors of 48. If I write 48 as 6 8s are 48, but 8 minus 6 is 2. It is not 8, so this will not be considered. 48 can also be written as 12 4s are 48, and 12 minus 4 gives me 8. So these factors we will take. Now the signs of factor. As I said, when last term is minus, here middle term is plus. So our bigger number, that is 12, will be plus. So factors of 48 will be plus 12 and minus 4. Why so? Since we need the subtraction should be plus 8. So 12 plus minus 4 will be 12 minus 4, that will be 8. We needed plus 8, so we took 12 as plus. But if I would have taken minus 12 plus 4, then what? Minus 12 plus 4 would have given me minus 8, which does not satisfy my b. Therefore, the sign of middle term will always go with the bigger number. If middle term is plus, the bigger number will be plus. If it is minus, bigger number will be minus. So now we will solve it actually. So minus 48, we got the factors as plus 12 minus 4. So this 8 is going to get replaced by these numbers. So x square plus 12x minus 4x minus 48 equal to 0. Now divide it in two parts. Here again we will take x common. I will get x plus 12 minus, here we will take 4 common, x minus 4. 12s are 48. So here 12. Now here sign. This is also minus, this is also minus. So this will be plus. Since when I open the bracket, minus into plus will be minus. So this will be plus. So this bracket I will take common x plus 12, x minus 4 equal to 0. That is x plus 12 equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, x will be minus 12 since when we change the sign will also get changed. Or x equal to 4. So, x equal to minus 12 or x equal to 4 is the solution of given quadratic equation. To solve the equation by factorization, this part is very easy. The thing where students get confused is to find the factors. We have seen कि एक नंबर के बहुत सारे factors होते हैं, to choose the correct factor is the main thing. So we'll just revise. First thing is we write down the factors. The factors which we choose, उनका addition should be equal to b. Then last term is plus. Or their subtraction should be equal to b when c is negative. Why? Since यहाँ पे जो भी b होगा उसकी वैल्यू हम चेंज करते हैं by that factors. We replace that b by the factors of c. Therefore, we need to check that factors addition or subtraction should give me b. Next is the signs of the factors. When you have last term plus, middle term plus, both the factors will be plus. When last term is plus, middle term is minus, both the factors will be minus. When last term is minus, middle term is plus. The bigger factor will be plus, second one, the smaller one will be minus. When last term is plus, middle factor is minus, factors will be minus and plus, greater and smaller respectively. So this was how we solved quadratic equation by factorization. And one more step, that a is not equal to 0, that time we find the factors of a into c. That a is not equal to 0. In such equation, we will find the factors of a into c. Other steps are same. Here we are only taking c when a is equal to 1. But when a is not equal to 1, we will find the factors of a into c. So, this was our factorization method.